How we can inserted the rows, whether the particular rows are inserted or not, we can check by giving the scan and then table name. Type scan and apple, you will get the what are all the rows are inserted here. Then we have to get only the particular row, means you have to give the get command, get table name and then particular field name, that is column name. If you type, you will get that only that particular columns. How we can get it, we will see. You have to type the command get, then you have to type the table name, you have to type the table name, and then after that you have to type the any attribute value. Here there are two dates are there. One is 5th May as well as the 6th May in the table. I am typing it here, 5th May. Then you have to press enter. Then you will get what are all the rows are there in the particular attribute, that is nothing but the 6th May. There are 5 rows are there. So for getting any particular row, you have to type the get command, and then next you have to get only the particular shell values. That means for example, here it is column price is low also is there, high also is there, open also is there, and close also is there. Here in this you have to find out the only the particular cell value, means you have to again type the get apple and then the attribute field, and then within bracket you have to mention that a particular column value. How we can type here, you have to type column and then equal to, and what is that attribute value. For example, here attribute value I am giving as a price or colon, whether you can give low or high or open. I am giving low. Then you close that bracket. Then it will display the what are all the rows are having the price value is row. It will display one row. Similarly, if you have to get the multiple columns, you have to give the 2 columns within that bracket. Again, you type the same command. Here after price low, give one more column value, that is price equal to, within quotes you can give high. Price value is low also you can give, price equal to high also you can give, and then close the bracket. But when you are giving the 2 conditions, you have to first give the square bracket and then flower bracket. So here you have to give price before the single quote, you have to give the square bracket, and then you have to end with the flower brackets. This is for giving the more than one condition. Then it is price high, one row is there. Similarly, price low, another row is there. So 2 rows are displayed. So this is for the displaying the more than one row. Next, for example, if you have to delete a cell, then you have to give the command delete. You have to give the command delete. Then you have to type the table name. Then you have to give the what is that attribute value. Attribute value. Then you have to give the price is low. That means I want to delete a row which is having the price value low, and the date is the 6th May. If we give like this, means it will not display how many rows are deleted or not, but it will be deleted. Again, if you have to check, that means list command if you type, you will come to know whether the particular row is deleted or not. Next is, if you have to, one more command is that entire row, means you have to delete, means you have to type delete all, then you have to give table name, that is apple. Then you have to give that attribute name, attribute value. then it will be deleted. Next, if you have to remove a table, you have to use that drop table name. Before dropping the table name, you have to use the disable table name. Without disable, first you are not giving disable, first itself you are giving the drop, means it will throw the error message. See, now I am typing drop appeal. Then it will throw the table must be disabled. So it will throw the error message. That means first you have to disable the table name, then you have to drop the table. So first you disable the table, that is apple. Here it will not show that it is disabled, it will tell 0 rows. Then after that only you can drop the table. Drop the table name is apple. So it will be, now you if you have to check, that means you have whether that particular table, that is apple, is deleted, dropped or not. You have to give the scan command, scan and then apple. It will throw the error message because the apple table is deleted. So it will show the error message. So this is the basic commands under the HBase. You have to create the table, insert the rows, and you can display the particular rows. And if you have to get particular row values, means you have to use the get command. If you have to insert a row, means you have to put command. Similarly, you can give more than one conditions for retrieving the rows, and you can delete the particular cell, means you have to specify the particular attribute values. If you have to delete the entire row, means you have to use the command delete all command. If you have to drop the table, means you have to first disable the table and then you have to drop the table. After dropping the table, to check that whether the particular table is deleted or not, you have to type the scan table name, that is scan apple. If you type, you will come to know that particular table is deleted. This much about the HBase commands. Thank you.